Hello, my name is Stephen Bolter, and I'm president of Anschutz North America. It's my privilege today to show you our latest air rifle, the 9015, in the new one stock. Our engineers worked with many different competitive shooters at a very high level to help develop the most accurate and most ergonomic rifle in our company's history. They worked with new materials such as carbon fiber, wood, stainless steel, and aluminum alloy, as well as developing a brand new trigger system which features an axle roller bearing system. This collaboration with top-level shooters and our engineering staff have brought you the latest gun, which is ready to go straight from our company. It is ISSF compliant, suited for both junior and adult shooters, as well as many different disciplines. I feel that after this short video, you will be convinced that this is the very best rifle in our company's history. Now we're going to take a closer look at the brand new one stock. The one stock features many interesting design features, and we will move step by step through the rifle to cover all the necessary detail. We'll be starting at the end with the new butt plate assembly. At its shortest setting, the butt plate is pushed all the way in. To increase the length, pull out on the system to its maximum length to find the ideal position for your shooting needs. We will place this at the middle of the adjustment, lock it in place with our Torx T20 wrench, now with the butt plate in place, we can show you the change of height. With our patented linkage system, the butt plate moves up and down in a straight line. This allows you to get the perfect fit to your jacket. Also, we have a contact rod at the bottom. This contact rod can tilt in, touch you, creating a very similar situation as was found with a wooden stock. This allows you to get the right amount of traction and feel on your shooting jacket. Now we can go to the individual butt plate pieces, which can be tilted to either direction, both top and bottom. These can also be loosened and tilted up and down to create the proper curve to fit your shooting needs. These are all stainless steel parts with a very thin profile. As you can see, the butt plate is a very adjustable system. Now that we've covered the butt plate, let's take a closer look at the fully adjustable cheek piece. Starting at the top, the cheek piece can be adjusted forward and rearwards, as well as side to side, with a small dial adjustment. Once you get the adjustments that you like, you tighten down the T20 screws, and it stays locked in place. To change elevation, you start with the gross adjustment on the bottom, loosening your screw. You move it up and down to suit your needs. Once you get approximately close to where you need to be, you tighten up the gross adjustment screw. From here, you can change elevations with the dial at the bottom. Be sure to have the lock screw loose prior to these fine adjustments. To lower. Once you found a position, lock the screw in place. This prevents slippage and allows you to disassemble the whole piece and transport it without risk of damage or losing your settings. This is the cheek piece assembly. Another important feature of the one stock is the new linkage system in the rear. Let's take a closer look at that now. Now that we've reviewed the butt plate and cheek piece assembly, let us take a closer look at the patented linkage system for the rifle stock. The one stock is designed to bring the barreled action as close to your body as possible for the perfect ergonomic and balance. On the bottom of the linkage is a scale to show you exactly where your adjustments are at. The adjustments are made by moving the linkage to the right or to the left until the desired position is achieved. Once you find the right position, you take the T20 wrench, tighten the screw. This maintains your setting. The scale lets you change back for future reference in case you want to make another adjustment. This is our patented linkage system. With the back half of the rifle done, it's time to take a closer look at our new wood grip. I think you'll find the details very interesting. Our new walnut grip features a very wide range of adjustments. To further enhance the grip, we've also created a bevel on the edge to prevent contact with your shooting jacket and to remain compliant with the ISSF rules. This grip size is available in small, medium, and large for both left and right-handed shooters. To adjust the grip, you start with your same T20 wrench, you place it into the screw in the bottom of the grip and you slightly loosen it. From there, you can rotate the grip around its axis, you can tilt it from side to side, you can even move it rearwards or forwards for the ideal setting. Once you find the proper position, you tighten down on the screw and the grip remains in position. Now we'll take a look at the new FORE-END riser block as well as a carbon fiber tube, the attachment system, and our unique patented linkage. Now it is time to review the FORE-END riser block and carbon fiber tube. This combination features our patented locking system, which allows the shooter to rotate the FORE-END riser block to suit their needs and allow the rifle to become as close to the shooter as possible. You may also move it forward and rearwards to find the ideal position. Once that is found, with your same T20 wrench, you may lock the system in place. From here, the FORE-END riser block is adjustable in height. You can move it all the way up to the top or bring it down to the bottom of its range. You will note that the scale is calibrated based on the center line of the barrel to the bottom of the riser block. This allows you to stay ISSF compliant and know exactly what distance your adjustments are set at. The barrel is a thinner profile with a stainless steel sleeve, creating a better balance and more ergonomic feel to the air rifle. Along with the steel sleeve, we have an additional series of steel weights, both around the carbon fiber tube and low profile weights on the barrel and the side extension tube. These low profile weights create a clear field of view without any obstructions or interference to the front sight. The side extension tube, which is DLC coated, can be moved rearwards and forwards to create the perfect sight picture for the shooter. In addition, we have a 5.5mm rail on the bottom, which will allow the SCAT system to connect perfectly. On the top is a standard 11mm dovetail. This combination will provide the best balance and end results for the shooter. In conclusion, I first want to thank you for your time today. The review of the 9015 and 1 stock has shown you the many distinct advantages of this new rifle system. The patented locking mechanism, the use of many different materials, including stainless steel, carbon fiber, and wood, create a system which will best suit your needs to shoot the very best scores. With a lot of research from top shooters, our engineering staff, we have spent a tremendous amount of time to pull together this system. We feel that when you give it a chance, you will find this is truly one for all.